The article I chose for this week discusses fluency with numbers during discussions. So I'm going to first start off with how they ended this article, and I found this to be very important. A number string is like a path that is designed to lead students toward consideration of a target strategy or mathematical idea. Although the teacher should certainly aim to facilitate a number string discussion such that the target idea is illuminated, honoring students' ideas that divide from the preconceived direction of the path is equally important. So this article discusses how students could use a Make 10 to solve addition problems. This was done in a second grade classroom. So what this first part talks about is that there used to be an idea that just knowing the basic facts is better than knowing the reasoning behind them. So we focused more on the time tests, which I discussed in my last article, rather than finding out how they got to the point that they knew the answer. And one way to promote a reasoning approach is through number strings. So a number string is a structured series of problems that are selected in sequence to provoke discussion of particular strategies or ideas. So this teacher that is carrying this out in her classroom wants to know whether her students understand the relationship among facts and related derived fact strategies. So she's not caring so much about what they know within the time test, but how they got to that answer. And so first she started with 4 plus 4 and 5 plus 5, because those were the most known facts for most of the students, and offered a point for those who needed to use their fingers that they could. So next she went to 6 plus 4 with the relation to 5 plus 5 because they both equal 10. So in this problem she was asking why and how and if are these two numbers equal, 6 plus 4 and 5 plus 5. And she allowed the students to talk. And next she did 7 plus 3 and 7 plus 4. And what she found is that a lot of students thought of this strategy with the 5 plus 6 and 5 plus 5 plus 1. So they knew 5 plus 5 was 10 and 6 was one more, so they added 1. That's what a lot of my students do in the room. They know the doubles fact or the basic fact, and they know that if they add 1 more, they would get to the answer. So I found this article interesting because the strategies these students used in the classroom are a lot of strategies my students also use.